So good morning students. Today we are going to perform the practical, that is the incorporation of preparation and standardized extract in the cosmetic formulations. So in that today we are going to perform the cream formation. Okay, so a cream is a preparation usually for application to the skin. Okay, and the creams for application to mucous membranes such as those of the rectum or vagina are also used. The creams may be considered the pharmaceutical product, as even cosmetic creams are based on the techniques developed by the pharmacy. These are the medicated and non-medicated creams. Creams are a semi-solid emulsion of the oil and water. Okay, and they are divided into the two types, that is oil in water. First type, oil in water. Okay, and the second one, it is also called as, denoted as OW, and the second one is the water in oil. Water in oil. Okay, it is denoted as WO. Okay, these are the two types of cream formation, which are composed of these. Oil in water are the creams which are composed of small droplets of oil dispersed in the continuous water phase, and water in oil, these are composed of small droplets of water dispersed in continuously oil phase. So oil in water creams are more comfortable and cosmetically accepted, as they are less greasy and more easily washed off using water. Water in oil creams are more difficult to handle, but many drugs which are incorporated into the creams are hydrophobic and will be released more radiably from a water in oil cream than the oil in water cream. Water in oil, so oil in water is used generally for the preparation of any types of creams, and rather than the water in oil. Water in oil creams are also more moisturizing, as they provide an oily barrier which reduces water loss from the stratum, the outermost layer of the skin. Okay, so it is helpful. Water in oil, it is helpful to maintain moisture in the skin. And what are the uses of these creams? So vehicle for drug substance such as the local anesthetic, anti-inflammatories, hormones, antifungals, antibiotics, and counter irritants. Creams are also used to treat the sunburns. So these are the creams. So what is the general composition of the cream? So general composition of cream. General composition of cream. The first one is water, second oil, third emulsifier. Okay, then we require the thickening agent, as well as we require one active component, that is the active pharmaceutical ingredient. So it may be the herbal, or it may be the synthetic one. So by this way we can form this cream formation. So now we are going in detail of this cream formation. So how you are going to prepare the cream? Okay, so for that we require the herb. Okay, we are preparing the herbal cream. Okay, so for that we require 250 ml herb infused oil, Then we require 250 ml warm water, warm water. Then we require 20 gram of beeswax, okay, not paraffin, it is a beeswax, and 8 drops of essential oil. Okay, so these are the requirements for preparation of herbal cream. Okay, so how we are going to prepare it? So for this preparation of herbal cream, we have to combine infused oil. This is the herb infused oil. So here I am taking, so I will take the olive oil. Okay, so firstly we are taking the olive oil, that is the herb infused oil, and the beeswax. We will combine it, and we are going to heat that mixture just enough to melt the wax. Okay, this herb infused oil and beeswax are combined together, and we are going to heat it until this wax will be melt, and in separate pot heat the water just enough to the warm. So we are going to take this warm water into the beaker or any type of container to we have to heat it. Okay, and once we have to heat it, so take precaution that it should be warm, not boiled. Okay, so it should be warm. Put the warm water into the blender or food processor. Okay, then take the center ring from the lid, and then with the blender running at the high speed, slowly add this oil and wax mixture. Okay, and in the steady stream, halfway through, you will see the mixture turn white and thicken. This is the time to add the essential oil. So at that time we have to add the essential oil. So I will add the lemon oil in it. Okay, so you have to add the essential oil in it, and then you have to blend it again. Okay, keep adding oil until it all, so don't so you have to blend it again and again. So at that time this water has been amalgamated, and the mixture will be too thick to pour. So so use the spatula to fill your wide mouth jars while the cream is still warm. Okay, and you have to store it at the room temperature. This cream will be remain, or it will this cream will be remain as it is for 6 months. Okay, and for when you are going to prepare this cream, so at that time you have to take the precautions that any product containing water is breeding ground of bacteria. As we know, the bacteria are omnipresent, so make sure all the equipments are very clean, and don't dip your fingers into the finished product. Always use the small spatula or other applicator to keep product free from the contaminants. Okay, and beeswax is essential and vitamin E are natural preservatives which should give your product a shelf life of 6 months. Okay, so we are using the essential oil, we are using the herbs, we are using the beeswax, so it can preserve our product up to the 6 months. And this grapefruit seed extract, which is strong antiviral agent, so we can add this grapefruit seed extract also. So it can inhibit the virus to enter in within our product. So this is the first part of herb preparations, that is the herbal cream preparation. So students, today we are going to perform the practical, that is incorporation of preparation and standardized extract in cosmetic formulation. Okay, so we are performing the practical of cosmetics. So for that, today we are going to perform preparation of cream. Okay, cosmetic cream. So for that we require the ingredients, that is the herb infused oil. Okay, so for that I taken this olive oil. Okay, then next, that is the water is required. Okay, then we require the beeswax. So this is the beeswax. Okay, then we require the essential oil. Okay, so let us start the practical. So firstly we have to weigh the water first. Okay, So we require actually 250 ml of water, but I will make it half, so that is 125 ml we require. Okay, so it is 50. Then again I will add 50. It become 100. Okay. Okay, so I will wait. So it is 100 ml water and 25. Yes, it is 25. So in this beaker I taken, okay, the distilled water 125 ml. Now we are going to take the oil, okay, that is the infused oil. So it is again 125 ml. So this is olive oil, so I will take 125 ml of olive oil. And we have to do it very neatly. Okay, the precautions should be taken. There no any bacterial contamination should be there. Okay, so it is 50. Now again I will add 50, so it become 100. So it is again, now 25 I will add. And we have to take the beeswax. If you are taking the water content as well as the oil content, that is you are taking the 250 ml, so you have to take the 20. 1 minute, I will confirm. You have to take 20 gram of beeswax. Okay, so here we are taking only 125 gram. So we will weigh the beeswax. Okay, so we will weigh the wax first. So this is the wax, so I will add it. I will weigh it. Okay, it is 3 grams. So we require maximum, that is we require the 10 grams. Okay. Yes. Okay, so I will. Okay, so now it is sufficient. So it is 125 and it is 125 ml of olive oil. Okay, and it is a 10 gram of beeswax. So I will combine both of it. Okay, now we are going to heat it. So up to this wax will be melt. Okay, and simultaneously we have to warm this water. Okay, we have to warm. Okay, not boil. Okay. So see students, here in the water bath I kept the olive oil which is combined with wax, beeswax. It is now heated and I will wait for its melting. Okay, and simultaneously I prepared this water bath also for till the water become warm. I will wait it. Okay. So see student, the wax is now completely dissolved. Okay, it is melted. Okay, so I switch off the flame now. Okay, so it is completely mixed with olive oil. Okay, so I will stop this procedure now. Okay, so this is the mixture, olive oil plus beeswax. Okay, this is the hot water, so I will check is it warm. So it is quite warm, so I will wait for 1 to 2 minutes and I will switch off the flame again. So see here student, it is a warm water. It is olive oil which contains the wax. Now it is melted. Okay, so it is both are warm. So now I take this pot, okay, in which I will add this water. Okay, in a separate pot I will add the water. But whenever you are forming anything, Okay, so at that time what you are going to do, so you have to take the precautions. Any product containing water is a breeding ground of bacteria, isn't it? So make sure all the equipments are very clean, okay? And don't dip your fingers into the finished product. Okay, so let us start. So the next procedure, we have to put the warm water into your blender or food processor. So I will add it inside this pot, okay? So see here, it is a pot. Okay, then I will running it at high speed. Okay, and slowly I will add, so slowly I will add this. So see, the formulation is going to start, the white formulation. Okay, so we will do it. So I will add again. The white thick formulation is forming. Chicken. So see here, the cream is forming. Okay, see, it becomes very whitish in color. Okay, see, the cream is forming now. Okay, so we have to running at this one, we have to run this blender. Okay, so unless it become very thick, so I will run it. So now I will add the essential oil, okay, if it is necessary. So I will add it. It is a lemon oil, okay. The lemon is good for skin. Okay, so the lemon oil is added now. So I will again beat it. So we have to continuously stir this blender. Why? Because unless this water is amalgamated, okay, so up to it we are going to beat it. Student, the cream is ready now. So I will take little bit of this cream, okay, from this part, okay, and I will show you. So see here, and it is actually the precaution. So see here, the cream is working, okay. So now our cream is ready. Okay, so see students, I kept our prepared cream into this jar, and it will remain active for 6 months. Expiry date is for 6 months.